Modding Portal 2 with custom maps and have BNS bonus map scripts. These define gameplay logic for community-created Portal 2 levels. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these Portal 2 bonus map script files. We're going to try the quick and easy steps, but be aware. I've kept the most effective BNS file solution for the tough cases near the end. A BNS file is a script used by the video game Portal 2 to define the parameters for bonus maps and challenges. Users, particularly level designers and modders, encounter these files when creating or modifying custom game content. Their intent is to edit challenge criteria like time limits or portal placement. The BNS file is a plain text script using Valve's KeyValue data format. This text-based structure was chosen for its simplicity and ease of modification by developers and the modding community. It contains key-value pairs that the game's engine parses to set up the specific rules for a bonus map. Typically, BNS files can be opened with Portal 2 Hammer editor created by Valve. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows cannot unwrap asset bundles or level data, so specialized tools must be used. We are performing a full check of installed file handlers. Right-click your BNS file and choose Open With. Test with Portal 2. Hammer editor first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is usually a simple software swap. If your BNS file will not open, do not worry. The system is rejecting the file for specific technical reasons. Before we apply the universal fix, let's review the most common causes of the failure. First, editing in Code Editor. Open BNS files in Visual Studio Code or Notepad+, which provide Lua syntax highlighting for clear script editing. Configure your editor with Lua language support extensions for auto-completion and error detection. The Portal 2. Authoring Tools documentation provides reference for available game functions and entity manipulations within map scripts. Next, testing in Portal 2. Use the Portal 2 authoring tools to test custom maps with associated BNS scripts. The Hammer level editor with Portal 2 configuration enables map design, while scripts attach to specific maps for gameplay logic. Run maps in test mode to verify script behavior before publishing to the Steam Workshop for community access. Finally, publishing to Workshop. Submit completed maps with BNS scripts to the Steam Workshop through the Portal 2 publishing tools. Provide thumbnail images, description, and gameplay information for community members evaluating your map. Workshop submission enables automatic distribution to subscribers and integration with Portal 2's in-game map browser for seamless community map access. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Confirm your success in the comments. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.